Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Shweta and today I'm gonna talk about this beautiful Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. Today I'm gonna review this palette. I'm gonna also do a small eyeshadow tutorial. My base is already ready, so I'm just gonna go ahead with applying eyeshadow. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and if you want to get notified whenever I post videos, please click on the ring bell button next to the subscribe. So without wasting any time, let's just begin. So I'm using this palette since a month now, and to be honest with you guys, I really liked it. But again, I think like to be for $65, it's little expensive. So let's talk about packaging a little bit. This is the outer package. It is like a pinkish metallic packaging, and inside this there is this actual eyeshadow palette which looks like this, and this is Huda's picture here, and inside that it has a huge, very large mirror. So I would say this eyeshadow palette has almost all sort of shades. It has this warm orangey shade here, more neutral shade right here. These are the glittery shade, shimmery shade. This is like literally a glitter, and this is like a little dual chrome type of a color. So I would say this palette is like a perfect. It has a lot of shades and you can do a lot of combinations with all of these shades. I hope my camera is picking all the colors. Now I'm thinking I'll do more of a warm orangey brown base, something using these colors, and then at the middle I'm gonna keep it like a shimmery with the dual chrome color, which is more of this there is this pinkish purpley dual chrome color. So I'm gonna use that middle, and I'm thinking to do maybe cut crease and give it a try how it looks. So before you start with your eyeshadow, you need to set up your eyes with the proper primer or concealer. So today I use this Tarte Shape Tip concealer, and I have set it up with this Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. If you want, you can use a specially designed eyelids primer such as this one from Benefit. This is Benefit Stay Don't Stray primer that you can use before applying the eyeshadows. So let's just begin. I'm gonna start with the shade Eden here, and I'm gonna put it in my crease area. And you need to build it up using like several times. So now I'm gonna go ahead with this orange shade here, which is Blazing, and similar how I applied Eden, I'm gonna start from my crease area and then I'm gonna go inside. So to warm this look a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead with this shade Saffron here. It's more dark red shade, I would say. To smoke out this look a little bit, I'm gonna use the shade Oud here, which is like a darkest brown shade. And I'm gonna start again with the crease area and the outer part of my eyelids. So I'm gonna make like a small triangular shape here. So I'm blending it again inside, just to remove all those harsh lines. And that's it. My base for eyeshadow is ready, and now I'm gonna go with the shimmer shade and start applying in the middle part here. So to apply the shimmer shade, I'm gonna try using wet brush first, because that's what I always do with my Modern Renaissance palette. Whenever I am using a shimmer shade, I wet my brush so that it picks up all the glitters without any fallouts. So I'm gonna try that today with this palette as well. For the cut crease, I'm gonna use this Benefit Stay Don't Stray eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna apply it a little bit using the same applicator, but I'm gonna spread it using another concealer brush. I'm just gonna take a product on the brush here, and I'm gonna use this small concealer brush to form a small cut crease. Good. Nice, you know, I really love it. I hope you can see this, guys, in my camera. So for my waterline, I'm gonna start with color Blazing, which was the orange, and I'm just gonna start rubbing it in my under my waterline. And to give it a little smoky look, again, I'm gonna use this darkest brown shade Oud underneath my eyes. So now my eyes are ready, so I'm gonna line them using this Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. And I'm gonna line my waterline using this Urban Decay 24/7 waterline eye pencil. It's so dark. So I smoked out my waterline eye pencil a little bit using a blending brush. So this look is incomplete without the false eyelashes, so be right back. So this is my complete look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you have got all the information what you were looking for. If you have more questions or comments about Huda Beauty palette, please write down in the comment box below. And for more of such tutorials, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is awesome.
Now, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big. I'm just pumped.